Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 4 from your maths book. So what is the name of the chapter? The chapter name is multiplication. So let's start our chapter. Creating multiplication tables using a repeated addition. Now what we have to do? We are going to create the multiplication tables by using repeated addition. So let's start our chapter. There are 6 flower pots having 3 flowers in each. Now, how many flower pots are there? 6 flower pots. And each flower pot has 3 flowers. And 1, 2, 3. Let us count the total number of flowers. Let's count it together. There's 3 flowers plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, it is 18. Now, there are 6 groups of 3 flowers. Now, how many groups? There are 6 groups of 3 flowers. So, we have 18 flowers and all. So by adding 3 at the 6 times, so what we get? We get 18 as total. So it can be written as 3 into 6, that is 18. Means 3 flowers, and how many times? It is 6 times. So it is written as 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. So 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. If I am going to write 2 multiplied 6, so it is 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. That symbol is the symbol of multiplication. So this is a symbol of multiplication. So this is the symbol of multiplication. So what we have read? We have read it as 2 multiplied 6 equals to 12. Multiplication is a repeated addition of the same number. What do you mean by multiplication? So it is a repeated addition of the same number. Here 3 is called multiplicand, which tells the number of flowers in each cell. So how many? So this is the multiplicand, which is repeated every time. This is the multiplicand. 6 is a multiplier, which does how many times? So time shows a multiplier. So what if we say that times is a multiplier and that one is repeated every time, it is a multiplicand. 18 is called the product, which gives the total number of objects. Now 18 is a product. If I am going to write 5 into 3, that is 15. So this is a multiplicand. This is a multiplier. And this is a product. So multiplicand, multiplier, and this is your product. Next one, it can also be written as 3 into 6, 18, that is multiplicand, multiplier, and this is your product. As we have already seen by one example also, 3 and 6 are also called factors, which 18 is a product. So 3 and 6 here also can be called as products or factors of which 18. Next is activity 2. Carefully look and count the given pencils and build the table of 2, which can be shown by skipping as follows. So 2 1 times 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 2 10's, 2 6 are 12, 2 7's are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9's are 18, and 2 10's are 20. So here it is repeating 2 pencils each time. So it is written as 2 times or 2's are. Next is this can also be shown by skipping as follows. Now we see about the skipping counting. So first is your 2. After skipping 1 is 4. After skipping 6, it is 8. Now 10's, now 12's, now 14's, now 16's, and now it can means when we jump on 2 each step. So what we get? We get the table of the 2. Like 9 jumps to 2 steps each. 9 into 2, that is 18. This can also be done by repeated addition. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, get the 18. Understanding the concept of multiplication, relating it to a repeated addition. Multiply by using grid. So what it is? 4, 3 or multiply 2. So 2 is first multiplied by 3. So 2, 3, 6. Now 2 is multiplied by 4. So it's 8. So it is written at the tens place. It is at the 6. So at it is past is 18, 6. This is your exercise. Next one is your multiply two-digit number by a double digit. Now we are going to multiply two-digit by two-digit. So 21 into 4. So first we have 4 multiplied by 1, it is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. Now after that you have to put a cross sign and then multiply 1 by 1 and 1 by 2. So it is 2. The final answer is 294, means you have to add this. But the most important thing you have to remember that you always put a 1 cross here. Understand? Now, multiplication of by 100 or 1000. What do you mean a 100 and 1000 multiply? Means simply you have to put those numbers of 0 beside the after the number. Like 51 into 100, so you have to put simply 2 zeros of 100. 50 into 1000, so you have to simply put 3 zeros. If I am going to write 23 into 1000, then you simply put the 3 zeros after 23. Next, when we multiply a number by 100, we add 2 zeros after the number. And when we multiply by 1000, you get the 3 zeros after the number. If I am going to multiply 4 into 100, so it is 400. If I am going to multiply 44 into 10, so the same answer is you have to put 1 zero. Means when there are zeros digit, you have to simply count the number of zeros and you have to put those zeros after the number. This is your exercise you have to practice now. This one is your multiplication 2. Multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number means you have to multiply two-digit number by a two-digit number. So let's start our chapter. For this, the teacher will teach multiplication by diagonal method. She will draw rectangle, divide by 4 squares, then draw lines and joining the corners. So here it is, find the product of 47 and 63. So what it is written? Here has written 47 here and 63 here. So next, so what do you have now? After this, she will write a number and do multiplication. See here, you have to see very carefully here. So what he has done? She has multiplied this with this and this. After that, she has multiplied this and this in the same way here. Now the teacher will ask the student to cross check is followed by grid method. Now you have to cross check that answers with this grid method. The same way 47 multiply 63. Now what you have done? You have to multiply this first time. So it is 24. Now 3 with 4. So it is 4 3 12 or 12 to carry over. That is 2 14. Understand? Here 40. Now after that multiply 6 with 7. 6 7 42 and 4 is carry over. Now 4 is multiplied by 4. 6 into 4 the 24 4 28. So finally it is written 2961 and you have to cross also here. So the answer is 2961. This is your exercise 5. You have to do this with a grid method. This one is your word problem and math lab activity, and last one is your mental math. So these all exercises you have to do by yourself to clear all your doubts and confusion. Bye bye, take care, meet you soon in my next video.